In this video, we're going to give you a quick tutorial on the Judgeme app on Shopify. Before we begin, please don't forget to like and subscribe. I added a dummy product or a sample product that I added to our store to show you how the product reviews will look like and how it looks. On the left side, add apps from the menu on the left, and it will open up recommended apps. And as you can see, Judge.me app is shown here. If it's not shown, simply go to the Shopify App Store and simply search for Judge.me, and it should show here. The app here. Make sure to download or to use Judge.me product reviews. We want this one to be used. Click on the app here, and as you can see, it's a very popular app. It is rated 5 stars and it has many reviews, so we're going to know that it's the real one. Now we're going to click install here, and then in this page click install. Now the app is installed and it will redirect us to this setup process. Language English, and you want to install it on your current theme and then start setup. Now make sure that enable app embed, and it's going to redirect us to the customization page where we can embed and prove the embedding of the app. And it will open the product page. This is the product that we added, and the Judge.me reviews is enabled right here. And to make sure that is enabled, go to section and go click in the product information here. You want to click on add block here, and we have a choice to add 2 blocks: review widget, reviews carousel. For this example, we're going to use review widget. As you can see here, the product reviews is listed on the right hand side of the product. And if we delete it and we try review carousels, and as you can see, the reviews carousel is now added. Let's go back quickly and use the review widget, and from here let's view how the website will look like. Going to press exit here. Make sure to save it first, then go back, exit, and let's go online store app and see how the store will look like. Look at the product, and as you can see here, the customer reviews. There are no reviews because we've said, like we've mentioned in the earlier or the start of the video, that this is just a dummy product. So we can simply put a review and input the following information. Let's give out a sample review. Submit review. Now the review is submitted, and it will appear, and it should appear on the page. And as we can see here, the review here is added. Now let's go back to Judge.me, onboarding, press next step. Over here we already installed the widget, and now we're going to press skip on this one. Press skip. So that's the tutorial for Judge.me on Shopify. I hope this video helped, and thanks for watching.